Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, viewers, our schedule beautiful. Rocks painting ideas. So viewers, I hope you are enjoying my video. So let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is rivers. Friends, ये माफिया के so viewers, let's start today video. So viewers, my first idea is friends. Rock painting is very peaceful and enjoyable art activity. You can turn simple stones into amazing artworks using just paint and a little imagination. It is a great way to express creative and also a wonderful stress hobby. Let's explore some inspiring rock painting ideas. Colorful modular rocks. Modular design are very popular in a rocks painting. You can create beautiful circle patterns using dark or bright color. These designs look very artistic and clean. Flower painted rocks turn simple stones into blooming flowers. You can paint rose, daisies, and flower and tulips. These rocks are perfect for garden decoration. And friends, next idea is rivers. Rivers. Next idea is friends. Emoji rocks create happy, sad, funny, and surprise emoji face stones. These are fun and perfect for kids' activities. Butterfly rocks paint colorful butterflies with bright wings. This look beautiful in garden and indoor decoration. So viewers, I hope you are happy. I hope you enjoy my video. So please subscribe to YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for